Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix flipped selfies on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you're taking a selfie with the front camera on your iPhone and it comes out flipped, so it doesn't look the same way as it does in this viewport right here, what you can do is go to the settings, so the settings of our phone. Then from the main menu, scroll down to camera. And here we're going to scroll down again and enable mirror front camera. So once this option is enabled, if you come back to the camera app and we, let's say, take a photo, as you can see, the photo looks the same way as it did in the viewport, so it doesn't flip anymore. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.